Today I'm going to show you why calculation is one of the most crucial things when it comes to chess. Now when I say the word calculation, you're probably imagining some crazy attacking position, but no. Today we're going to take a look at how calculation helps you convert your advantages into a win. You can see that black has some problems in this position. For example, this rook here is very passive, this bishop is also very passive, and this pawn is very weak on d5. And on the other hand, we have a really nice knight here in the center on e5. This knight is taking away a lot of squares from our opponent, and we also have this really good bishop attacking this pawn on d5, and also this knight which is also attacking it. Okay, so now I just started to push my pawns. My threat is basically to play g5, pushing this knight away, so then we can just take this pawn for free, because this knight no longer protects the pawn. So this was my idea here, that's why he played h6, trying to stop that, but I just played h4. And again, I just want to play g5 here, trying to get rid of the knight. So here he played knight to c4, kind of provoking our knight to move, but I just didn't care. I played g5, he took, I recaptured, and now he took here on e3. Now immediately I was like, okay, this should be a bad move, you know, because he's gonna give me two knights here. He's gonna give me two knights for a rook, and this cannot be good. I just took the knight, he took the rook, I recaptured, and he took the pawn on f6. Now I played knight to g4, attacking the pawn on f6, so that's why he played king to g7. But again, you can see that this pawn is very weak, only the rook is protecting it, so we can just take it here with the knight. So what's going on in this position? You can see that I have two knights for a rook, which is usually a very great deal. My pieces are all active. You can see that also these knights are attacking the pawn on f6, so he has to do something about it, and he just played rook to d6. And that's where the calculation part comes in, guys. Please pause this video and figure out what is the best continuation for white. Okay, so I hope you found it. It's a really nice line. You have to calculate it till the end. It's just knight takes f6. And at first, it doesn't seem reasonable, because he can just take it, and after we recapture, he just takes this knight with the king. And why exactly did we do this? You know, why did we give two knights for a rook and got into this tricky kind of position, which we're probably not even gonna win? Well, the point of knight takes f6, of course, is that after he recaptures, we don't take the rook here, but we just go knight to c7. And this is so beautiful. This is really amazing, guys. You can see that we sacrificed a knight here, and currently we're an exchange down. We're just threatening to take his rook for free, and if he moves it, we have knight to e8 check, and the king has to move, and it will not protect this rook anymore. And after, let's say, king to h6, we just take the rook, and we're a whole knight up. So that's why here he played rook takes f5. I just took the rook and I recaptured this rook on a8. And I went on to win this game easily with a piece up. Now, of course, guys, without seeing all these calculations here, I wouldn't be able to simplify this position into a win so easily. You know, if we don't see knight f6 here, we're gonna struggle some more in this position to try to win the game, of course. But with seeing this combination and calculating it precisely, we were able to win this game rather easily. So that's why it's really important to practice calculation, guys. You have a lot of different books. I have also made a video on this, on different chess books to help you improve your game, which you can feel free to check out. Now guys, if you like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up, watch more of it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.